Hello mga ka-Ignite and welcome back sa panibagong update kasama ang Ignite Tax AI. Kailangan mo ba ng tulong sa pag-compute ng tax at iba pang computations? Let's explore the tax tools available in Ignite Tax AI. The tax tools section is organized into 4 categories: individual and corporation, employee, tax analyzer, and other tools. Let's start with individual and corporation. Dito makikita ang income tax calculator para sa income tax computations, ang percentage tax calculator para sa non-VAT registered taxpayers, at ang VAT calculator para sa mabilis na VAT computations. Next, let's explore the employee tools. Kasama rito ang net pay calculator para malaman ang take-home pay, ang government contribution calculator para sa SSS, PhilHealth at Pag-ibig contributions, at ang overtime pay calculator at ang night shift differential calculator. Moving on to tax analyzer. This tool helps you analyze tax-related information quickly and conveniently. Finally, let's explore the other tools section. Kasama rito ang BIR penalty calculator, SEC registration calculator, SEC penalty calculator, withholding tax calculator, DST on rent calculator, DST on original issue of shares of stock calculator, sale of real property calculator, at invoice sample generator. Whether you're a business owner, accountant, bookkeeper, employee, or student, these tools can help make computations faster and easier. Explore the tax tools today with Ignite Tax AI. Follow us for more Philippine tax tips. Bye!